Is your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. For 2013-2018 models, replacing the battery is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, available under $5 at auto parts stores or online, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob's back or side. Gently pry it open, being careful not to damage the internal circuitry. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side orientation. Insert the new battery with the positive side up. Then snap the case back together. Test the fob to ensure it's working. If it's still not working, proceed to the next section. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, the problem could be corrosion on the battery contacts. Fully disassemble the fob case and inspect the contacts. If you see any corrosion, clean it gently with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. Let it dry completely before reassembling. This open case fix addresses moisture ingress, a common cause of fob failure. According to a 2024 Reddit r/Hyundai case study, corroded solder joints can cause intermittent failures after a battery swap. Cleaning these joints with isopropyl alcohol can restore full function. If problems persist, consider getting the fob reprogrammed at a dealership.